some wine. Okay, and popcorn. That was really nice. Keon, somebody at the fucking door.
Watch out!
Okay, you guys, so I wanted to do a vlog for my trip to Tampa. So I'm currently at home in Sharon. I'm about to head to Rock Hill to my friend Keon's. Hopefully got me something to drink, waiting because child, I'm hot, I'm tired. It's been a day. Okay, so I'm about to get me some food and we're about to get on this roll, and I'll let you guys meet Keon because I never vlog with my friends. Good morning, y'all. It is like 5:45-ish. I'm waiting on Keon. We're going to pick up Maurice. I'm tired. Like, I look tired. Keon overslept, of course, and then set the time. Like, who does that? But you guys will meet them soon. We are about to leave Rock Hill. If Maurice can ever get the car cranked.
Are they gonna go?
Yeah, we are. Come. I'm trying, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, right.
Phone or help.
How?
Oh, duh.
Manual options. There are 5 phones stored. Replace
Why
phone.
is there 5?
Probably you.
Pat
Select
Bosch or
replace
somebody else.
phone. To change the phone without loop, replace phone. Replace phone. Please select the name of the phone you want to replace.
Me and
Yours
Steve.
already on
How's
there.
my phone?
Oh.
All right, so we getting ready to go out to eat to Bahama Breeze. We're gonna do a quick little outfit check. We're gonna start with Maurice. I'm gonna see what Maurice got on. All right, so this is what Reese got on. Okay, got the mask for the extra COVID.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh shit!
You got your fitted right here. You got your regular graphic tail, you know what I'm saying? You got your shorts. You got the top shorts for the summer, you know what I'm saying? You gotta stay Nike because we just do it, you know what I'm saying? You got your little crossbody bag. Oh, can't forget.
Gotta stay safe.
You know what I'm saying? Gotta stay safe. Gotta
stay safe.
You know what I'm saying?
I
Gotta
like
stay
that
masked
shirt.
up, you know what I'm saying?
All right, Keon got on. Okay,
Hi.
he's giving. Giving.
I got on my
Okay.
little anklet.
Okay, got the anklets.
The anklet?
Sandals. I'm lit.
Anklet? You drop your
Look close.
Let's see you.
Though. Y'all cute though. Y'all cute. Let me get my glove. Let me get.
What
Okay.
is it?
We got the little Shein top, okay. With a Shein bag, Shein hole over here.
Mm-hmm. Are your feet itchy?
Pants. I don't know. Might be. Where I got these shoes from? I don't remember where I got my shoes from. But they're cute though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we about to go feed our face with some good drinks and get lit. Okay.
That's what I do.
Is there 4 of us? Okay.
Good morning, you guys. We are on day 2 of our trip. I just ate a little bit of food, had some coffee. Me and Karen are the only ones up because somebody wants to oversleep. All right, so we are getting ready to go to Ford's Garage and get some food. Let me get down here. Girl is giving 90s, 2000s, auntie, Uncle Luke vibes. Reese in the back.
We giving Thought Boy summer vibes, but I'm not a Thought Boy. I'm happily off the market.
Okay. I got scared a little bit. So we are at Armature's Works. It's this place where they have like different foods and alcohol and desserts. And yo guys, it's just so nice out here. The weather is nice. Like, it's a nice little spot. I'm gonna show you guys.
I think those are the
You know what's funny? That way, that little walkway is the Tampa River Walk.
see?
It's the what?
It's the Tampa River Walk.
Oh really?
Yeah. Guys, you know what I'm saying? So you got that's you just gotta look at me. You know what I'm saying? I know I look good. That's what it is. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? But this is sponsored by Dolce and Gabbana.
Not Dolce.
The one. That right there. You know what I'm saying? It's
Not
take care of you.
SpongeBob playing with the lights.
It take care of you. You know what I'm saying? Get that for you.
Not.
Get
Oh,
Get that for you.
Where we going, Kim?
And cut.
Where are we going?
Eboro City.
Okay, I've never been there. I've seen TikToks and it looks pretty wow. Kiana's the best traveler
It's also
host.
sponsored by Pat Ron.
I'm dead.
So Julio.
Pat and Ron.
Pat and Ron,
You know.
And Don Julio.
they are
Also
best.
Pat Ron and Don Julio. You know what I'm saying?
That ain't in your.
We're going to some club.
It's called.
No, it doesn't work like that. I got it on the back cam.
It's on you now.
Oh, I thought you was gonna tell them. Okay.
They can see me in the mirror over there.
This is what
Y'all
I'm
want to see
wearing.
Erica's outfit?
Child, I ain't gonna put the shoes on right now. This is it. Shein. Alright, so we are at Clearwater Beach. We're about to grab some food. David's in the background. Excuse us. I am starving.
Where you say it was at, Kim?
This way.
Because that's Clear Sky Cafe.
We go through this every time it's time to eat. I'm starving. They about to kill me. Child, I can't.
Oh, they stopped, but
Holy shit. Not the little run. Got my boobies all over the place. Oh my God. Alright. Okay. Alright, so we are at Clearwater Beach. Look at my hair. Reese, Keon. Y'all, the water feels so good. The water feels so good. And it's definitely clear. We saw dead fish inside. The little girl, she was trying to pick it up. I was like, baby, don't be tempted. You know, it ain't nobody but a devil trying to tempt you. But yeah, we're going to go enjoy ourselves. This is my swimsuit. So, yeah.
probably crazy like that.
So we just got in and we got us some Mr. and Mrs. Crab. Yeah, we putting down garbage bags so we don't miss their beautiful countertop. But yeah, we about to fuck this up. We are hungry. We don't know if we're going out tonight. Are we going out tonight? Are we getting ripped tonight?
Come just for me.
I don't know.
We don't know. We're tired. We're spending the whole day at the beach. So that's that. But yeah. Okay, I am in my car. Like, I'm about to go in. But I'm going to end this vlog on this. Like, we just drove home today. We had a good time. But I think we were very, very tired. Like, this was a really, really good friend trip. I just encourage everybody to take that friend trip because it's very important. Friendships are very important, and this was just such a positive and great trip. Like, we all enjoyed ourselves. But yeah, I'm gonna end it on this note, so I'll see y'all in my next video.